Hello friends, welcome to today's session on arithmetic progressions. In this session I am going to explain 12th question for you from exercise 5.2, page number 106, chapter 5, arithmetic progressions. So let's read the question first. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th terms is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th terms? So he has given that two APs have the same common difference. So let us assume that common difference to be D. Okay, and the first series, let us assume the first series starts with A1. So the first series becomes A1, A1 plus D, A1 plus 2D, A1 plus 3D, and it goes on. Let us assume that second series starts with A2, A2, A2 plus D, A2 plus 2D, and A2 plus 3D, and so on. Now he has given that the difference between their 100th terms is 100. So what is the 100th term of the first series? We know the formula of an, right? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. So a100 becomes, the 100th term of first series becomes first series 100th term. A1 plus 100 minus 1 into d, that is equal to A1 plus 99d. Second series 100th term. Second series 100th term becomes A2 plus 100 minus 1 into d, that is equal to A2 plus 99d. And he has given the difference between these two terms is 99, 100. Difference between the 100th terms is 100. So A1 plus 99d minus A2 plus 99d is equal to 100. That implies 99d gets cancelled. A1 minus A2 is equal to 100. A1 minus A2 is equal to 100. Now we have to find out the difference between their 1000th terms. So first series 1000th term becomes A1 plus 1000 minus 1 into d, that is equal to A1 plus 999d. Second series 1000th term becomes A2 plus 1000 minus 1 into d, that is equal to A2 plus 999d. Now the difference between the 1000th terms becomes A1 plus 999d minus A2 plus 999d. Here also the 999 gets cancelled on both sides, in both the equation, in both the terms. Now the answer becomes A1 minus A2. A1 minus A2. But from the first equation, but by solving the first equation we got A1 minus A2 is equal to 100. So the difference between the 1000th terms is also A1 minus A2, which is equal to 100. Hope this is clear for you. So we got the difference between the 1000th terms is also same as the difference between the 100th terms, that is 100. I'll explain the problem once again. He has given two arithmetic progression series with same common difference, and he has given the difference between the 100th terms is 100, and we have to find out what is the difference between their 1000th terms. So let us assume that common difference to be d, and the first series starts from A1 and the second series starts from A2. Now what will be the difference between the 100th terms? A1 plus 99d is the first term, 100th term of the first series, and A2 plus 99d is the 100th term of the second series. What's the difference between the two terms? A1 minus A2 has become 100. Now I have calculated the difference between the thousandth terms. So first series thousandth term has become a1 plus 999d, and second series thousandth term has become a2 plus 999d. So subtracting the two thousandth terms, I got the answer as a1 minus by a2, which is again equal to 100. Hope this is clear for you. Please leave your feedback in the comment section below, and you can refer to other videos for more solved questions in this exercise. And do subscribe and share the videos. Until then, see you.